Define atypical bacteria with two examples: bacteriostatic antibiotic, bactericidal antibiotic, broad-spectrum antibiotic, narrow-spectrum antibiotic, MIC, MBC, infection. Atypical bacteria, bacteria that have no true or organized cell wall. They are not so common. Example: Legionella pneumophila, Chlamydia trachomatis, Chlamydia pneumonia, Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Bacteriostatic antibiotic, a substance that inhibits the growth of bacteria and also inhibits the multiplication, is termed as bacteriostatic. Example: cotrimoxazole. Bactericidal antibiotic, a substance that kills the bacteria, is termed as bactericidal. Example: cephalosporin antibiotics, etc. Bactericidal antibiotics kill bacterial cells directly. Broad-spectrum antibiotic, if a single antibiotic covers wide range of pathogenic bacteria like gram-positive, gram-negative, atypical bacteria, and even beta-lactam-resistant bacteria, it is known as broad-spectrum antibiotic. Example: cephalosporins. Narrow-spectrum antibiotic, if a single antibiotic covers selected group of bacteria like gram-positive or gram-negative or atypical bacteria, it is known as narrow-spectrum antibiotic. Example: vancomycin, antitubercular drugs, etc. Antibiotics with a narrow spectrum can kill only a small number of species of bacteria, maybe even just one. Narrow-spectrum antibiotics tend to be very specific and act on a molecule in the metabolism of one particular type of bacteria that is special to that species. MIC, minimum inhibitory concentration. This is the minimum concentration of an antibiotic in plasma to inhibit the growth of bacteria. MBC, minimum bactericidal concentration. This is the minimum concentration of an antibiotic in plasma to kill the bacteria. MBC equals 4x MIC. Infection. Infection is the pathological state resulting from the invasion of the body by pathogenic microorganisms. Infection occurs due to competitive metabolism, toxin, intracellular replication, or antigen-antibody response. Type of infections: 1. Nosocomial infections. 2. Community-acquired infections. 3. Chronic infection. 4. Superinfection. 5. Secondary infection. 6. Recurrent infection.